Welcome to episode 11 of PVTV, where we talk all things solar and answer your solar questions. This is our first episode, Ross, of PVTV, where we are doing a bill review. So this is where we look at a solar system that's been installed and see how the bills have changed over the past week, months, and years. This first system was one that we installed about 2 weeks ago. And for those of you who remember, this is actually a system we installed for my mum, who I promised that she would get $0 electricity bills without a battery. And the system's been installed for a couple of weeks now, so we're going to see how it's performing and see what it's doing for her electricity bills.
Cool.
You excited?
I'm excited.
You sound excited.
Yeah. Cool. All right, so what we're going to take a look at first is what the bill looked like before we got the solar system installed.
Yeah.
So what we've got here is your mum's electricity bill, and we'll have a look at the main reading here, which is average daily use. So that's in kilowatt hours. So 12.1 was what your mum was using on average per day. 12.1 kilowatt hours. This is the day.
So I was using about $4 or $5 a day on average.
Yeah, so it'll actually tell you on the bill as well. So
about $1,500 a year.
yeah, so
is what my mum was spending.
Yep.
Now, my mum didn't need a battery because her daily usage, where you see it says peak there, is at 12.14. So because it's so low, I said to mum what she sells sells back to the grid would be enough to cover that and get her $0 bills without a battery.
Yeah. So let's see.
Have we achieved it?
Let's have a look.
She'll disown me if we haven't achieved it.
So we've got a monitoring system called Reposit on this house. So it's monitoring consumption and production. And let's have a look. Let's go to this day here. So Saturday, November 10. So this is the weekend just gone. Straight away, we can notice that we are now only importing 4 kilowatt hours from the grid, and we're exporting 34. So that was since Saturday the 10th. Let's go to the 11th. Similar situation, imported about 5 kilowatts, exported about 35. 12th, imported 3 kilowatts, exported 22. So based off this system now, we are importing no more than about 5 kilowatt hours and exporting 20 to 30 kilowatt hours a day.
Okay.
So your calculations were spot on. There is enough export going out to the grid now to cover the nighttime usage.
Awesome. So what's the maths? Do you want to give us a quick maths?
Yeah, cool. I'll go back to the bill. I'll just have a quick look at that. So we're paying 37 cents a kilowatt hour for consumption. There's a discount rate on here of 22 cents, but we'll go off the starting rate of 37 cents. And that's 37 times, say, 4 kilowatts average.
Yeah, a day.
A day. So now we're paying about $1.48. But I've also going to add
before we were spending about $5 a day, now we're spending about $1.50 a day.
Yep. So I'll also just add on the dollar daily surcharge, because we've always got to add that on because we can't get rid of that. $1. Okay. So now we're averaging about $2.50 a day, compared to the $4.50. But
so the bill's about halved with the solar.
With the solar. Yep.
Okay.
So now we're averaging probably 25 kilowatts export on top of that.
So that's what we're selling.
That's what we're selling. And there's $2.75 made up in export.
So we're spending $2.56 a day on the bill after solar, including the connection fee per day. And then we're selling, over the past couple of days, about $2.75 a day. So on what we're selling versus what we're consuming, it's a $0 bill, including the connection fee.
20 cent credit there, so about $0 bill, including the connection fee. Yeah,
great. So over the eight sunniest months of the year, we can expect that credit buffer will continue to grow.
Yeah,
and then when we get into winter and there's not as much sun, hopefully there's enough credit to cover the winter bill as well, or as much of it as possible. And then Mum will have $0 electricity bills without a battery.
Yeah.
Now, I know there are a lot of you out there who we've installed solar and battery systems for that have had your bills since getting a solar system, and they're a lot lower or even non-existent. If you're in that category and would like us to do a bill review episode on your solar system, leave your name in the comments below and what your bills have changed from and what they are now. And we look forward to doing a bill review for you in the future. Thank you so much. And if you get any more questions about solar and batteries, leave them below in the comments. Take care.